again. I know that I know by now, well, time should allow for a little give and take, given where we've been. I remember Ali's glove and a story of love, though the tales grow older. I'd rather be the boy tolerant of those who knock me over, 'cause I could use a shove. Bright-eyed and hitching a ride with a less than perfect bunch, content to live, forego the outcome, resigned to kiss the face of anger.